Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the first class of chemistry. ये मेरा पहला क्लास है केमिस्ट्री का, जो क्लास 11 में जो बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री के नाम से जाना जाता है. वेलकम टू द क्लास ऑफ जोस मैथ्यूज. You are Joseph, we can say. When we talk about the basics of chemistry, सबसे पहले अपने दिमाग में आता है atoms, molecules, elements, compounds, atomic number, atomic masses. What is a matter made of? Anything in the universe is made of atoms or molecules. You have studied what is an atom consisting of. The first thing that comes to your brain is the nucleus. Around this, the negatively charged electrons are moving about. The fundamental particles of our atoms are electrons, protons, and neutrons. In this nucleus, we are having protons, we are having neutrons, and we are having mesons. Many of you are aware of mesons. I will come to mesons, explanation of mesons later in a very elaborate way. So, the lightest particle among this one is the electrons, and the heaviest is our neutrons. And you have studied the discovery channels. Who discovered the electrons? J.J. Thomson. Who discovered the protons? Tell me. The nucleus is discovered by Goldstein. The nucleus is discovered by Rutherford, and inside that is a proton. This is discovered by Goldstein. And neutrons, of course, it is discovered by whom? Chadwick, James Chadwick. When we talk about the atomic number, means atomic number means the number of protons, the number of nuclear charge, number of protons present in the nucleus, or the number of electrons in a neutral atom. एक atom के अंदर कितने neutral atoms, neutral electrons, the atom should be neutral. In that atom, how many electrons are there? That is also atomic number. The number of protons plus the number of neutrons, what we will say to this? Mass number. And these two together, proton and neutron go एक साथ, दोनों को combine करके what we say? Nucleons. Protons and neutrons दोनों को एक साथ कहते हैं nucleons because of nucleus के particle. Coming to electrons, the basic knowledge regarding an electron, what you should all have. First of all, the charge of electron. It is negative 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. हाँ, अगर प्रोटॉन का चार्ज भी लेते हैं तो इतना ही होगा, लेकिन पॉजिटिव होगा. The mass of electron is how much? 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram. The units definitely used. The discovery channel of electrons I am not coming across. That we will study later. So, when we talk about atoms, atoms of different elements are different. Atoms of same element are similar, or they are alike. They may be slightly different also. So, we use the term isotopes. What do you mean by isotopes? Atoms of the same element. Atoms of the same element means having the same atomic number but a different mass numbers. अगर अपन लोग लेते हैं हाइड्रोजन, these are the three isotopes of hydrogen: protium, deuterium, and tritium, or tritium, whatever you say. In this one, protons is 1, neutrons is 3 minus 1, that is 2. इस ट्रिटियम के बारे में और क्या नॉलेज होना चाहिए? It is the isotope of hydrogen जो रेडियो एक्टिव है. You have studied uranium, thorium, polonium. They emit radiation spontaneously, and this is also radioactive. Alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays, these are the radiations that come out during radioactivity. And this one is a beta emitter, क्योंकि ये beta particle emit करता है. And what are beta particles? Beta particle means fast moving electrons only. Fast moving electrons are beta particles. Alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays, I will come to that in another session of class. अगर आपसे पूछते हैं which element has got the maximum number of isotopes, our answer should be 10. Sn. How many isotopes? It has got 10 isotopes. Now we are coming to isobars. Atoms of different elements. इससे ही पता चलता है different elements means atomic number will be different, but mass number will be same. If I am taking nitrogen 14, carbon 6 and 14, देखिए दोनों के mass numbers are same. Another term, isotopes, means atoms having same number of neutrons. अगर आपको 2 या 3 atoms देते हैं, इनके अंदर अगर सेम नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स होता है तो दे आर आइसोटोनिक isotons. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई एम टेकिंग हियर कार्बन 614, कितना न्यूट्रॉन्स होगा? 14 minus 6, that is 8. ऑक्सीजन ले लो, OH 16, how many neutrons are here? 8. So they are isotopes. Another term we have to learn is isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species. देखो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, उस शब्द से पता चलेगा they are having the same number of electrons. If I am taking here any species, कोई भी species ले लो, atoms, ions, molecules, compounds, negative ions or positive ions. अगर electron के number अगर same है, then they are iso electron. If I am taking here, मान लीजिए नाइट्रोजन 7, कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होगा? 7. अगर इसमें 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और आ गया तो कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होगा? They are having 10 electrons. Isn't it, my dear friends? Are you clear what I am saying? अगर आपने लिया ऑक्सीजनेट और 2 माइनस लिया, मतलब 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन और इसके अंदर आ गया, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन का नंबर कितना हो जाएगा? There will be 10 electrons. If I am taking here fluorine, एक और इलेक्ट्रॉन ले लो, 10 electrons. Similarly, if I am taking here aluminium, 13 और 3 प्लस का मतलब क्या है? 3 प्लस means 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन चला गया. So there will be 13 minus 3, 10 electrons. अगर मैंने लिया सोडियम, एटॉमिक नंबर कितना होता है सोडियम का? एटॉमिक नंबर मालूम होना चाहिए, नहीं तो विकेट उड़ेगा. एटॉमिक नंबर इज 11. So 11 इलेक्ट्रॉन, एक हटा दीजिए, कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो गए? 10 electrons. So these are isoelectronic species. So whenever एक और term आपको बताना चाहूंगा, this is isospheres. Compounds हो, ions हो या molecules, जो भी, they are atomicity, मतलब number of atoms should be same and electron का number भी same होना चाहिए. अगर मान लीजिए आपने लिया N2O, 2 नाइट्रोजन और 1 ऑक्सीजन, 3 एटम का हो गया. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड लीजिए, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेना पड़ेगा. देखिए 3 एटम, 1 कार्बन और 2 ऑक्सीजन. इलेक्ट्रॉन का नंबर देखिए, 2 into 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन नाइट्रोजन. ऑक्सीजन का एटॉमिक नंबर कितना होता है? 8. दोनों मिला के कितना हो गया है? 22 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? अब ये बताओ, कार्बन में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होता है? एटॉमिक नंबर इज 6. और ऑक्सीजन 2 into 8 कितना हो गया? 22 electrons. So they are isospheres. So the basic concept of what is atomic number, what is mass number, what are isotons, what are isotopes, what are isoelectronic, what are isospheres. ये basic starting concepts of chemistry हैं. I say A, B, C, D of chemistry. जैसे अपन बोलते हैं ना, A for atoms, B for boron, C for carbon. It is the starting. So, thank you for listening to me. Thank you so much.